Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, pretty volatile day as we were expecting with the Feds coming out, and we'll look at that on the lower time frame. It's actually always interesting to see how price reacts. The key thing here is that we've broken through some key areas of support. So, if you just drop down to the weekly here, you will see a number. Sorry, let me just clean this chart up. We'll start this again. So you'll see a number of areas here where potential support should be found. And this 29,619 looks like it is the target that we have at the moment. So there is a gap just below that as well. And if you look at the structure, that is a massive inverse cup and handle here. So now this is our line in the sand. Drop below that, I'd expect this to be tagged. But if the structure plays out, you're looking, where are we? Let's get it exact here. So that's 7,400 points, and look where that's heading to, somewhere around 22,000. And there is a gap there as well, and that's the pre-COVID gap. Well, not pre-COVID, that is the COVID gap. Anyway, that's not what we're here for today. We're looking for intraday opportunities, and obviously we don't want to be short down here. We're looking to be short higher up. And I just want to just highlight just this area here. So you can see there is another little level that was above there. Always difficult when there's noise exactly where price is going to bounce off. So 3-hour trend is still down. We've got a bit of an exhaustion bar away from the moving averages. So I would want to see us come back up. So obviously what you're looking for is a retest of some form of structure. This is the area that you'll be paying attention to. It's going to start making this chart a little bit messy, but that's a zone that I'd be paying attention to for opportunity to short. Don't want to be shorting here. It's been a strong move to the downside. Look at the oscillators in an hour. We're far away from the moving averages. Not really interested in that. So look at this. I don't know what you want to call it, range bar, pin bar, whatever, but this is how price fluctuated during the Fed announcement, the interest rate. So it fluctuated 2%, or 1.9%. Let's just round it off to 2%. So it fluctuated 2% within an hour, up and down by 2% an hour. And I mean, it's just all the different algorithms that are actually trading that. So you get the interest rate hike, and then afterwards you get the half an hour later you get the press conference, and then during the press conference you see price moving up and down and just causing absolute havoc. That's why I say it's always difficult to trade when there's noise like that. So this is the zone we're looking to reject. I think we can actually come down to the 15 minutes here, and here you'll see the big up and down. There's the interest rate hike announcement down, and then we just hovered here for a while, for basically the last bit of that, and then 15 minutes, and then the press conference started, and then up, and then like more press conference, and then all of a sudden we dropped off again. So very difficult to trade noise. Anyway, what we're looking for is 3484 and 3600. That would be a nice retest of the moving average breakout for a move to downside. Looking at the oscillators, that may not materialize. So what you'll probably find is we're going to feed off the DAX. So I'd have a look at the DAX first thing when the DAX opens to see if there's opportunity. There may very well be an opportunity just to hop in there and leave that for the day as it continues to the downside, because there'll be a lot of European banks that are announcing their interest rate today as well, so which that may also impact. And looking at the forecast, it's pretty much everybody is looking to do the same thing. So that is the view that I have for today. Don't want to be short down here, looking for an opportunity up here, but just bear in mind that we may actually get a little bit of structure down in an area like that. And only way you're going to pick this up at the moment is on the 5 minutes. So you can see there's a level, there's a level, there's a level. So let's bring this top level down. You'll see there is the smaller level on the 5-minute chart, which may give you an opportunity. So that's between 31.76 and 31.37. So you were looking for a rejection in that zone. Stop is just above this swing high here. So that is around, where's the high? 32.1. I would say 32.20 would be your stop area. So that's a good 100 points. So that's a reasonable stop. But then you're looking for a bigger move down. And I just want to get to the 8th hour for this one. And you can see there's so much going on here. Look at how much support is here in the past. You can see 1, 2, 3. We're busy with the 4th, but we have closed below it. So that to me says it's broken. The next logical area is going to be this 29,619. That would be the next target, and that is a big weekly level. Let's see where I got that from. There it is there. So that is the one that I would be aiming for right now. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Nice juicy opportunity. Take it off the lower time frames, but if you can manage to get in around, let's just say it accelerates to there. If you can get in with a 70-point stop loss, you are looking probably for a 500-point move to the downside. And looking at the oscillators on the lower time frame, that does look like it is very likely. Anyway, hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.